Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my backyard on a quite grey and dreary day here in Townsville. Anyway, I got me some luggage for my V-Strom, so let's get it out of the box, shall we? This will be the mounting plate here, and if I can get through this sellotape, yes I can, excellent. And here's the main event. It is a Shad 39 litre top box. And there she is. Excellent. Seems to be quite a good quality piece of kit. Here's everything here. Not even sure what this is. All sorts of bits and pieces for it. There's the keys. If you look closely you can see it's fake carbon fibre. Anyway, for those of you who have seen my video on my milk crate top box, I have decided to go with an actual proper one, mainly because I live in Townsville and sometimes it's nice to have a lock on stuff. It cost me, hang on, where's my receipt? It's here. It cost me $199.95 for the top box itself, and it cost me something like $70 for all of the mounting hardware and stuff like that. Yes, I know I probably could have got it cheaper, but I decided to get it through Future Sport Motorcycles here in Townsville because A, they're excellent, and B, I like to support my local business when I can, so I'd rather get it off of them than some dude in China on eBay. Now I just have to wait for this miserable weather to pass a little bit so I can go out and put it on.
A few moments later.
We will start with the hardware for the mounting plate, which I have here and here, which all looks reasonably straightforward. So I'll have to remove the two screws that hold in the existing luggage rack as it is. If I can remember where I left my goddamn toolkit, that would be useful. Oh, there it is. These go on like this. I'm going to leave these two here. And obviously the lip goes facing down. Yes, that would make sense. Right. Pretty straightforward so far. That is the mounting plate on. Right, let's get the box on.
Thousands of tears later.
Done. Okay, one important thing before I go here. Because I live in a rented house, I can't exactly have a sticker wall here. So I've decided all of the stickers that I get sent by other motovloggers are going to go on my top box. I'll start with Amanda Zitto, you will be the first sticker on my top box, because you're an absolute legend and you have helped my channel out immeasurably. So you're going here. Next up, Teapot 1. On you go, sir. You can go here. Oh, slightly creased, but all good. And last but not least, I got some stickers in the mail from a motovlogger in the US called the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. So links to all of these channels will of course be in the description. Please go check them all out, although I'd imagine if you know my channel, you probably know Teapot 1 and Amanda, so go check the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man out as well, because he very kindly approached me on Instagram a while back and asked for my details to send me some stickers, which is really cool of him. So you go here next to Amanda. So if you are a motovlogger and you have stickers, please DM me on Instagram. Link to my Instagram is in the description. Good luck.